Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Match Factory application on your Android device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your Play Store to get started. From your Play Store, go ahead and type in Match Factory in the search box. Soon after you find this application, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, which will take several minutes. But always make sure to be connected to a stable internet so that you can download the application smoother and faster. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to launch open Match Factory on your Android phone. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.